Good afternoon. On this Friday, we've got some sunshine out there and some clouds too. And everywhere we're dealing with some wind. And that is really moving our flags yet again in the southern end of the valley. This is our live view right now down at the Dakota Magic Casino. You can see our flags moving here, this time out of the south. And that's a warming wind, which will eventually set us up, some of us already getting into that 30-degree range. The problem is it doesn't exactly feel like it when we factor in these wind speeds and gusts. We've got steady winds here into the 20s in a lot of spots and gusts that are into the 30s. Fargo again topping 33 miles per hour. Wind mainly out of the south, so of course that means warmer air is moving into the valley. It is stirring up a little bit of snow out there. From time to time we see our visibility reduced. You can see in Fosston we're down to 2 miles for visibility, 7 in Mahnomen, 5 in Thief River Falls, so this is a trouble spot. Gwinnett just down 1 mile at 9 miles right now. Again, 10 is your maximum that can be reported. So most places have some good visibility, but just be aware if you're traveling out in open areas, you may encounter some drifting snow, some blowing snow going on. Our temperatures are ranging from some teens to some 30s. It's very warm out west. You can see we're at 32 degrees in Jamestown right now. Fargo's at 16. It's 19 in Grand Forks and some 20s over to the east. We've got 20 in Baudette and 23 in Wadena. Again, we're warming things up. We were below zero overnight, so we're making some progress here. But check out these wind chills. It still feels like it's 3 below zero in Fargo right now. So keep that in mind. It's still not the warmest out there as you step outside for your lunch break here today. Here's a look at your current conditions. We've got those snow showers that we're moving through. They're continuing to move eastward, mainly outside of our viewing area at this point. Could still be a couple of flurries out there. And in addition to that, of course, there's going to be some clouds associated with that. Looking a little farther to the north and west, in general, we've got some unsettled weather going on, especially north of the border. There's that low pressure system moving by, and that is kicking up the wind. It is bringing us a little bit of snow now, and we may see some more later tonight up in the northern valley again. So let's take a look at what we can expect heading into the weekend. As we make our way through the afternoon hours, we're going to see these temperatures climbing back into the mid-20s to some mid-30s even for your highs. So nice mild numbers. Again, it's going to feel a little colder than that though when we factor in the wind. The good thing is the warmer part of the day will also feature eventually those wind speeds starting to come down around 5 o'clock. And as we head into our evening hours tonight, that will continue. We'll still have a little bit of a breeze, but it won't be as intense. And we're looking at temperatures staying mild. We'll also have to watch out for another shot of isolated snow showers in the northern valley, especially into the evening hours tonight and to start off your Saturday morning. Let's take a look at our weekend planner because it does feature a couple of clippers moving through, not including today's, moving through Saturday and on Sunday night as well. Here's a look at this. We've got Saturday kind of being one of those partly to mostly cloudy days, kind of varying, with the northern valley experiencing more clouds. This is the afternoon. And I can't rule out a flake or two at any given time here this weekend, but it looks like right now a clipper is going to be passing by Saturday night and then into Sunday morning. This is 9 p.m. Saturday. Northern Valley, again, the focus, the better chance for some snow into Sunday morning. Now, this is noon Sunday. We get a little bit of a break behind that one. And then another one approaches for Sunday night. This one's going to be more of a direct hit, and that will also feature a chance for some accumulating snow. We're talking about a couple of inches of snow or maybe even more than that for some of us here as this moves through. So that's Sunday and into Monday on your President's Day. So here's a look at our 7-day planner. We're looking at some numbers that are going to be into the teens to some 20s, even 30 again today heading toward the weekend. And then again, your President's Day featuring some accumulating snow heading into Wednesday and Thursday, first alert weather days for the potential for some areas of heavier snow and some wind coming up. So active forecast in store with a couple of shots of light snow heading through the weekend.